Okay. By the time, give me the reality of social responsibility. Anybody? Reality of social responsibility. Yes.
Sir, first is threat of public regulation. So many enterprises are following or are doing social responsibility because of the threat of the public. Because now public is no more illiterate, so they know about their rights. So first one is that. Second is impact of consumer consciousness. Today's environment has made the customer has given the customer the title of a king. So now business have to follow customer oriented policies. Then next is uh, labor movement. Workers of today are no more illiterate. They know about their rights. So if anything will go against them, they'll fight for it. And then development of business education. Now businessmen are focusing on the education also. They are educating their children as well. Then sir, uh, social interest and business interest are directly proportional to each other. A business have to follow some social responsibility also in order to maintain their profit level.
Right, right. Very good. Very good. So whatever you answer is getting recorded. I have told you, keep your cameras on, everyone. Anya, Vishakha, turn the camera on. Rohit, Srajan. Keep your cameras on all the time. तुम्हारे को लग रहा है ना हिंदी समझ में आती है ना इंग्लिश, तुम्हें सही से समझाना पड़ेगा किस दिन. अब यू कम टू स्कूल, देन आई विल टीच यू सम ऑफ द basic manners and rules. You are told to be in school dress. Number one, always camera must be on. Be regular. If you are not following, you will get good from me very soon. Immediately you leave the class if you are not following the instruction. We are into the next topic, very important, social responsibility and its kinds. Kind. हमें इसके बारे में ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ना है, only you should know different types of social responsibility. Number one is economic responsibility. Economic responsibility is related to money, means to say that the business enterprises should primarily produce such goods which are in demand, which society wants. All the goods and services which society wants and which are in demand should be produced by the business enterprises and sell them at a profit. Of course, they will sell the goods at a profit. The goods must be of good quality and the prices of good must be, reasonable, you can say, according to the quality of the product, according to the different standards being set. Number two is legal responsibility. All the business enterprises must conduct their business legally in a fair way. No unfair means should be followed. No unfair means should be practiced. It should be done by abiding itself by the laws. सारे laws को follow करते हुए, all the principles को follow करते हुए, different acts passed by the Companies Act उनको follow करते हुए, according to the guidelines of the government, right? अभी जैसे कोविड में different businessmen के लिए guidelines हैं, different people के लिए guidelines हैं. So a business enterprise should follow the guidelines, should follow each and every instruction by the government. They should abide themselves by the laws. This is the legal responsibility. Number next, ethical. Ethical responsibility, I told you, business ethics are there. Moral values जैसे होती है, which tells us, teaches us what is right, what is wrong. Same way, there are business ethics. Ethics which should be followed by business. और उसमें ये सारी चीजें आती हैं, to be honest, to provide good quality products, to provide regular supply of goods and services, and no malpractices should be there. There should not be hoarding, black marketing. All these things should be avoided by the business. Last one is discretionary responsibility. That all the business enterprises should make reasonably good decisions in favor of itself, business, and in favor of others. Of course, they will earn profit, but they should not go away from normal, away from doing good business. It may spend the share of profit for the development of society also. Some share of profit should be spent for the development of society. Okay. Anybody want to ask anything in this?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, please repeat the last point, sir. Discretionary responsibility.
Discretionary responsibility is the responsibility whereby the profit earned by a business enterprise must be shared for the development of the society also. Some portion of your profit business enterprise should spend on society because it is earned by the society. It is earned with the help of the society. Different people are there whom business interact. From different people, business get its goods and services. Then customers are there who avail the services, having trust in your business. So आपकी भी business की भी responsibility बनती है कि वो society के लिए भी कुछ करे. That is known as discretionary. Discretionary का मतलब होता है to return back in the same way as it was earned. Because some of the enterprises, they do charity work by opening you can say new some medical उसमें facilities के, or they can also open some educational institutions, etc. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Now, very important, these 5 or 6 next topics are 6. एग्जाम में आपसे इनमें से कोई ना कोई 2 या 3 जरूर पूछे जाएंगे. राइट देयर, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Responsibility of business towards different groups. कि बिजनेस की क्या क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है इन ग्रुप्स के लिए. कौन से ग्रुप से अभी बताते हैं आपको. नंबर 1, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बिजनेस टुवर्ड्स शेयर होल्डर्स और ओनर्स, जिन्होंने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है, जिनका बिजनेस है, जिन्होंने बिजनेस में पैसे लगाए हैं, उनके लिए बिजनेस की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. जनरल में आप वैसे ही बता सकते हैं. कोई है, एनीबडी वुड ट्राई, कि एक बिजनेस को उसके मालिकों के लिए क्या करना चाहिए. एक बिजनेस को उसके मालिक के लिए क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज्यूम करनी चाहिए. मनमीत सिंह. यस
sir, first one is providing fair rate of return.
Yes,
providing
fair rate of return means to say जितना भी पैसा बिजनेस में बिजनेसमैन ने लगाया है उसको उस पे इंटरेस्ट जो है अच्छा मिले। वो पैसा अगर वो कहीं और लगाता और उसे ज्यादा पैसे मिलते तो वो बिजनेस में लगा के तो उसे नुकसान हो रहा है, इसका मतलब he should get fair rate of return on his investment. Very good point. Number 2,
providing regular, accurate, and full information about the business.
yes, business should always provide all the information. कौन सा प्रिंसिपल प्रियदर्शनी फॉलो करना चाहिए इसमें? प्रिंसिपल एक आपका बताया था, बहुत सारे प्रिंसिपल है, एक प्रिंसिपल यहां पर अप्लाई होता है जो बिजनेस को पूरी तरीके से फॉलो करना चाहिए, जो कह रहे हैं टू प्रोवाइड वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन टू इट्स। हाँ जी, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ
convention of full disclosure.
Yes, very good. Full
Disclosure.
Full disclosure means disclose all the necessary and important information required for decision making. तो शेयर होल्डर या ओनर जो भी बिजनेस के हैं उनको बिजनेस की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन देनी चाहिए, कुछ भी छुपाना नहीं चाहिए। All the accounts should be shown to him. All the information necessary should be provided to him. उसको अच्छा रेट ऑफ रिटर्न मिलना चाहिए, उसके पैसे सेफ रहने चाहिए। The investment made by the businessman should remain safe and secure. Right? और बताइए।
Providing information regarding the future plan.
Whatever future ventures are there, future deals are there, future plans for the business are there, all must be told to the businessman, because ultimately he has to decide, ultimately he has to take the decision regarding them. So every information, required information, must be provided to him. Any other?
Involving shareholders in major policy decisions.
Yes. Policy decisions means whatever important decisions are to be taken by the business, it is taken by the businessman. So we have to involve him in the decision making. And also money should be safe, returns should be higher. All these are the points. Anything else? Anybody? That's all. Responsibility of business towards workers. Workers means those who are the employees of the business. रोहित कुमार, एक दो पॉइंट बताइए बेटा। एक बिजनेस की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए उसके वर्कर्स के लिए? रोहित कुमार, अनम्यूट करो।
यस सर, कर दिया।
अंजलि, बेटा अंजलि बताइए। अनम्यूट करिए। एक बिजनेस, आपका अगर कोई बिजनेस है तो जो लोग आपके यहां काम करते हैं उसके लिए आपकी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी जो आपको फुलफिल करनी चाहिए? नो आइडिया। मुस्कान,
Sir, pay fair wages and salaries to all the workers.
वेरी गुड।
Provide good and comfortable working condition.
नाइस।
Provide democratic right to its employee.
ओके।
To recognize the employee efforts toward achievement of organizational goals.
ओके, जो भी पॉइंट है सब आपके पास है, इट इज दे आर गिवन इन द बुक. इफ एटलीस्ट यू कैन लुक एट द बुक, यू कैन रीड, दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके. पढ़ने से कुछ तो समझ में आएगा, कुछ तो पॉइंट आपको आएगा. इट मीन्स यू डोंट हैव द बुक ऑल्सो. रोहित, बुक नहीं है आपके पास? एंड अंजलि, what happened? Are you getting the points? Are you listening? आवाज आ रही है आपको? अंजलि,
Sometime cut. Voice is not coming.
so change the place. See that you are in a comfortable place where there are good signals. You should see that beforehand. Okay. हमारे वर्कर्स के लिए, जो हमारे यहाँ काम करते हैं, हमारी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है? दैट नंबर 1, जो लोग आपके यहाँ काम करते हैं, आप उन्हें सही समय पे सही सैलरी या वेजेस जो भी है वो देंगे. टू प्रोवाइड फेयर वेजेस, यू नो, डिजर्विंग, जो भी डिजर्विंग वेजेस है. ये नहीं कि आप बहुत काम करवाते हैं, ओवरवर्क एंड अंडरपेड. ओवरवर्क एंड अंडरपेड नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? वटएवर इज डिजर्विंग, जो भी डिजर्विंग है उतनी आपको सैलरी देनी चाहिए, उतना आपको जो है उनको ट्रीट करना चाहिए. द सैलरी, वेजेस, रेम्युनरेशन, कमीशन, राइट, whatever, it should be provided fairly. Number 2, there should be good working condition. There should be good working condition. Working condition क्या होनी चाहिए? अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Working condition अच्छे होने का मतलब क्या है? That साफ सफाई वहां पर होनी चाहिए आपके उसमें बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज में. उनको लाने ले जाने की फैसिलिटी होनी चाहिए, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज होनी चाहिए, उनके रहने के लिए फैसिलिटीज होनी चाहिए. यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट द बिजनेस हाउसेस दीज डेज प्रोवाइड ऑल दीज एडिशनल फैसिलिटीज टू द एम्प्लॉइज, राइट? वहां पर कैंटीन होती है, वहां पर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज भी होती है, वहां पर उनके आराम के लिए जगह होती है. Why? Because if they get good working condition, they will feel, you know, motivated to work for the institution. Also, there should be career advancement, career development. उनका प्रोफाइल बढ़ना चाहिए हमेशा. उनको ऐसा लगना चाहिए दैट यहाँ पर काम करके मुझे जो है अपने कैरियर में और ज्यादा तरक्की मिलेगी. And I will rise to greater heights. There are chances of promotion. There are chances of getting hike in the salary. There are chances of getting transferred to a better place. So all these things should also be provided. Also to recognize their efforts. वो कोई अच्छा काम करते हैं तो उनको appreciation मिलना चाहिए. जैसे होता है ना, एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ, स्टार ऑफ द मंथ, और उनको एक्स्ट्रा फैसिलिटीज मिलती है, एप्रिसिएशन मिलता है, उनको प्राइज मिलता है, अवार्ड इज बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड टू देम. ऑल दिस इज टू मेक एन एम्प्लॉय मोर मोटिवेटेड एंड dedicated towards the work. Anybody would like to ask something or would like to add anything? The next one is responsibility towards consumers. Consumers कौन है? Consumer means customers. What are the responsibility of business towards consumers, towards the people who buy thing? Sarthak is raising hand. Very good, Sarthak. Answer.
Sir, the first responsibility of the business towards the consumer is provide the goods at fair prices, provide the goods, quality goods at fair prices, provide the service center, provide the service center for the goods which they have sold. And sir, That's it, sir.
Okay, very good 2 points he has told. Very good. Whenever you are answering, your answer is getting recorded. कल मैंने आपको लाइव वीडियो भेजा था ना क्लास का, in which students were answering live video of the live class test. ऐसे ही ये जो आपकी क्लास है ये रिकॉर्ड हो रही है, आपके स्क्रीन पे रिकॉर्डिंग लिखा हुआ आ रहा हूं. Means to say anytime you can see this class afterwards. Whatever is taught, whatever is communicated to you, interaction is done with you, it is a perfect live class. ये कोई lecture class नहीं है जिसमें हम सिर्फ lecture देंगे. I am going to ask you the problems. There are problem solving sessions. There are doubt clearing sessions. There is randomly asking questions from you, and there is also seeing that what you are doing while the class is going on. So it is a perfect live class. All the time, all the students are on my screen. So I can see who is listening, who is looking here and there. Everything is being recorded. So he has given very valid 2 points. And Manmeet want to add some more. Yes, Manmeet.
Sir,
Yes.
ensure regular supply of goods, not to follow unfair trade parties, provide good quality of product, reasonable cost.
Nice. Very simple. See, आप अगर कस्टमर हैं तो आप क्या चाहते हैं? किसी दुकान में जब आप जाते हैं, किसी मॉल में जब आप जाते हैं, किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जब आप जाते हैं, किसी थिएटर में जब आप जाते हैं, what you want standard quality of goods. You want good service. आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं तो खाना भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, वहां पर एटमॉस्फेयर भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, वहां पर जो सर्विस है वो भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने ऑर्डर कर दिया और अब आप 1 घंटा हो गया, कोई आपको पूछ नहीं रहा है, कोई ऑर्डर लेके नहीं आ रहा है, ऑर्डर इज बीइंग वेरी स्लो. आप कहेंगे सर्विस बहुत बेकार थी, खाना तो बहुत अच्छा था बट सर्विस वाज नॉट गुड, यू वर मेड टू वेट, देयर वाज नो पार्किंग. तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी. अगर सब कुछ सही था और खाना ही अच्छा नहीं था, टेस्टी नहीं था, तब भी यू विल से द क्वालिटी ऑफ द गुड वाज, द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड वाज नॉट ओके. इसी तरीके से जब आप बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचेंगे तो बिजनेस का ये रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है टू प्रोवाइड रेगुलर सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, टू प्रोवाइड गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. ये 2 चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक तो गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज होनी चाहिए. नंबर 2 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, रेगुलर सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज होनी चाहिए. रेगुलर सप्लाई का मतलब लगातार. ऐसा ना हो कि कभी आप सामान मांगे और आपको सामान अवेलेबल ना हो, वो कहें कि अभी नहीं है, कल आएगा, परसों आएगा, एंड द सप्लाई इज नॉट प्रॉपर. व्हेन यू वांट इट दैट टाइम इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल, तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. दैट इज नॉट अ गुड सॉलिड पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ बिजनेस. तीसरा पॉइंट, आप जो बिजनेस है इट शुड अपडेट इट्स प्रोडक्ट टाइम टू टाइम. वो आपको हमेशा कैसा प्रोडक्ट दे, अपडेटेड. ऑल्सो दे शुड inform you, keep you updated about the latest new products being launched. कई बार आप दुकान में जाते हैं तो शॉपकीपर आपको खुद बताते हैं कि प्लीज टेक दिस इज गुड, दिस इज बेटर देन द प्रीवियस वन, इसमें ये फीचर है, इसमें ये क्वालिटी है, ये नया साबुन आया है, ये नया टूथपेस्ट आया है, राइट? दे विल टेल यू, दे टेल बाय देमसेल्फ, they keep you informed. It is also the duty of business to keep the customers informed about the product. Also, the businessman should see the taste and preference of the customers also. उनका टेस्ट कैसा है, क्या प्रीफर कर रहे हैं, what are the likes and dislikes, so that accordingly they can also make available goods and services. All important information should be disclosed. all schemes, discounts, rebates, etc. should be told to the customer, right? Also, a businessman should be honest and fair in his dealings with the customer. I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anybody would like to repeat? Anybody would like to repeat voluntarily? Responsibility towards consumer or customer? Anybody? I give 2 minutes. You can take.
Sir,
Yes, Priyadarshini.
first point is the business should provide fair, good quality products at reasonable prices.
Good.
Second one is that it should also provide after sales service of the customers. Then, sir, it should not follow any malpractices like hoarding, black marketing, etc. And the businessman should be honest towards the consumer.
Nice. Good. Very good. Last for today, responsibility towards government. What are the responsibilities of a business towards government? So very simple, these are key. They should follow the instructions, guidelines, right, given by the government. They should abide by rules and regulations of the government. Business should pay taxes, different taxes by the government. जो भी है income tax, they should file return properly. They should follow the laws of the country. Whatever laws are enforced by the government, चाहे वो state government है, चाहे central government है, they should follow them properly. Should pay the taxes on time. Abide by all the rules, regulations, laws of the country. Government के लिए क्या होंगे? यही तो आपके responsibility होंगी. It must contribute to different reliefs programs, right? कभी कोई flood आता है, कभी कोई calamity होती है, COVID time है, तो they should also help government to help the society. These are some of the important responsibilities of business towards government. Rest we will do tomorrow. Okay? जो भी है आगे we will do tomorrow. ज्यादा बड़ा चैप्टर नहीं है ये. इसके बाद 2-3 ही टॉपिक और है इसमें. एक बिजनेस एथिक्स है, उसके एलिमेंट है, और ये वाला तो बहुत सिंपल है. इसके बाद अबाउट पॉल्यूशन, बिजनेस एंड एनवायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन, कि बिजनेस और एनवायरमेंटल पॉल्यूशन के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है. What are the different types of pollution? You know very well. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, all that. And how business should, avoid, try to reduce these type of pollutions. तो ये है. Last business ethics है. Important topic इसमें यही है. I hope you all are getting and you are preparing your notes also, right? Once the schools reopen, then slowly we will start checking your work. Don't panic, and don't be in a tension. Slowly you can complete your work. I will give almost 1 full month. पूरा अगस्त आपको देंगे to update your work. Full August I will give you. Don't worry. Slowly you can update your work and come to the class जिस चैप्टर में भी हम चल रहे हैं. 6 चैप्टर्स आपके बिजनेस में हो चुके हैं. 6 चैप्टर्स आपको बिजनेस के कॉपी में करने हैं. तो यू कैन डू स्लोली. ये नहीं कि आप एक ही साथ सारा काम करें एंड बर्डन योरसेल्फ. नो नीड. Slowly we will do, but surely everyone has to do the work now. So keep yourself mentally prepared, physically prepared. Keep your dresses ready. Everybody should be found in school dress. From tomorrow, I will remove you from the class. First of all, you should not join the class when you are not in school uniform. And even if by mistake I have entered you, immediately you leave the class if you are not there in the school uniform. This is my last and final reminder and warning to every student. I am not taking names, but you should make sure next time you should not be in the class without school uniform. Okay, this is all for today in this social responsibility of business towards different groups is the topic we have done today. 4 groups we have studied, that is shareholder or owner, workers or employees, consumer or customer, and lastly government. Responsibility of business towards these groups. So 2 or 3 days are left, then everybody has to come to school. Online classes will be off. There will be no online classes when you come to school. After that, only offline classes in the school. Complete your work and take very good care of yourself. Thank you. God bless all of you.